How are you? Friend, I show you today how can check the capacitor. Okay, with multimeter. How much this capacitor? You see the capacitor and multimeter. Set the multimeter from where? This one capacitor meter. You know capacitor meter. Set the capacitor meter and you have now see the capacitor. This capacitor 35 CCC 35 plus 7.5. Okay, how can check? See, take the multimeter now 2 and put the point now 34.5 2. This is the capacity of this capacitor. Okay, and 7.33. I show you this one. You see 35 plus 7.5. Okay, plus minus this one 5%. Okay,